I got a bucket of chicken.
I'm not one of your fried chicken tramps.
Hello and welcome back to the Internet Crusaders Kitchen. We're here with a really short one for you today. We're going to quickly do the Internet Crusaders' own private reserve fine fistable mayo. It's very simple, only 4 ingredients. Only 4. You have oil, vinegar, Dijon mustard, and an egg. Now your simple ratio, you'll do 1 egg, 1 cup of olive oil. You can use whatever type of oil you want. If you want to use avocado oil or a basic canola oil, all of those options are perfectly fine. Take a vinegar of your choice. We're doing a basic white wine vinegar. You can do a very simple distilled white vinegar. You could do apple cider vinegar, rice vinegar, and there's plenty of options because this is an easily modifiable recipe. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. When you take a mustard, you can absolutely adjust this as well. If you want to use a stone ground or your French's yellow, those are fine. You do 1 teaspoon of mustard. That right in. And you'll take that with an immersion blender in a container and you'll just blitz that until it's nice and smooth. See? Nice and easy.
Nice.
Now, this is a nice, simple mayonnaise recipe. 4 ingredients. This has no salt and pepper in it, so if you really want to, you can just add a little bit of salt and pepper to it. Or you can do like I do. Some buttermilk and some ranch powder. You could buy a basic ranch powder, or you could make your own like I did for the for a stream some time ago. And you just add all that right in, right? If you wanted to make ranch out of this, I would also add some lemon, some Tabasco, and some Worcestershire. But there you go, a nice fine fistable mayonnaise. Nice and thick, just the way my fingers like it. You guys have a good one. Thanks again. Goodbye.